Guys, this is Jinjinir. Welcome sa ating YouTube channel. So kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe guys, so please hit the subscribe button para updated ka lagi sa mga contents natin. So ngayon naman guys is magsosolve tayo ng age problem. So this will be our first episode ng age problem sa playlist natin. So gagawa tayo guys ng 50 videos sa age problem, no? So from basics to advanced 'yon. So simulan na natin to guys. First episode, basic muna tayo. Marcia is 10 years older than Jan, who is 16 years old. How old is Marcia? Okay, so si Marcia daw is 10 years older. So plus 10 sa age ni Jan. Kung yung age ni Jan is 16 years old, so mag plus 10 lang tayo dito guys and makukuha na natin yung age ni Marcia. So that is 26. So ganun lang kadali guys. So basic lang talaga. Okay, so letter C. So yun lang guys. Thank you for watching.